Okay, I'm here with Michael McIntyre, our insurance and roofing specialist here at Pro Roof Partners, and I'm just going to ask him a couple questions. Michael, the question I have for you right now is something that I've heard a lot of people ask me, and I recently had a house I had for sale, and the homeowner asked me, hey, we had a hailstorm the other night, but I've got an impact-resistant roof. Should I have somebody come look at it? And I thought maybe you could answer that from your perspective on how those shingles work.
And I would say that goes back to the age of the roof. Find out, I'd say if it's over 5 years old, just with the weather in Oklahoma, how it's hot and cold, like just drastically, I would say that depending on the age, but also depending on the size of the hailstorm. So if the storm was, it kicked out a couple pieces of golf ball size hail, but it was all smaller than that, I'd say you're probably good. But if you get anything, I always say if you get anything that's significant and it's pounding your roof and you're concerned and it even causes a question in your mind, just have a roofer that you trust come out and look at it.
How much is that going to cost?
Yeah, it's absolutely free. Usually if someone's charging you, I'd say call somebody else.
I think that's probably a pretty good advice, yeah.
But I'd say, impact-resistant roofs are great because you do get a 20% discount on your insurance. Now, sometimes it's 22.
Depends on the insurance.
It depends on the insurance company, and also now they actually make a 30-year impact-resistant shingle that is a Class 4. And so that's great, and that allows you to be able to buy an impact-resistant shingle and not spend an arm and a leg to be able to get that.
Excellent. All right, well, thank you everybody for watching with us today. We appreciate your time. Hopefully we were able to answer some questions that you had. My name's Jared Kennedy with Pro Roof Partners, and I'm sitting here with Michael McIntyre, our insurance and roofing specialist with Pro Roof Partners. And we just wanted to let you know if you're in need of a roof inspection, feel free to reach out to us at proroofpartners.com, and we're glad we could help.